I tried Clara San Diego Boutique Reviews app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Most people get this wrong. They assume boutique review apps are just for casual browsing. I tested Clara San Diego Boutique Reviews to see if it truly helps shoppers make smarter fashion choices. On day 1, I browsed the catalogue and reviews. The app highlights customer feedback on sizing, fabric quality and style accuracy. Most people skip cross-referencing reviews, but doing so reveal patterns about fit and fabric that are crucial for online shopping. By day 3, I purchased several items based on top reviews. You won't believe what happens next. The products matched descriptions, and the quality exceeded expectations. The surprising truth is that detailed reviews can save money, prevent returns, and improve satisfaction when buying boutique clothing online. By day 5, I explored the community and section. Most people get this wrong by ignoring user interactions, but they provided styling tips, alternative color suggestions, and practical care advice that enhanced my experience. Day 7 confirmed my final verdict. Clara San Diego Boutique Reviews app is more than a review platform. It's a valuable shopping companion for boutique lovers. Most people underestimate its usefulness, assuming boutique reviews aren't reliable, but the app proves otherwise with consistent, authentic feedback. If you want smarter boutique shopping, this app is worth trying. The shocking truth. Thoughtful review analysis can transform how you shop, helping you pick clothing that truly fits and impresses.